Hi everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews. My clear plastic headlights have had some fading for a while now. It's nothing critical, there's some visual oxidation on the top of the headlights, but my OCD wouldn't let me leave this be, so I decided to do something about it. Of course, I would love to be methodical and utilize the proper method, which is sanding, machine polishing, and sealing. But I decided to use Meguiar's kit I've gotten on sale for 30 Canadian dollars and see how well it performs. Manufacturer claims the final result should last for 12 months, which is in my case should be even longer, considering how I wash my car. Yeah, you might have seen that video. If not, check it out at the link in the description or here. This is not a sponsored video yet, regrettably, and theoretically you can use similar alternative products to achieve similar results. Let's roll! First of all, as with anything that may touch or cover your car paint coat, you should mask the areas around the headlights. Then use a quarter-sized amount of the abrasive paste onto the cleaning pad included with the kit. Using a back and forth motion, clean the entire headlight. Then use a damp microfiber towel to remove the paste and dry the headlight completely. The surface should have a consistent clouded pattern across the headlight. You can also use a drill with a pad or polisher, but the purpose of this video is to find out what the results would be using manual application. Once that's done, apply one medium coat of the included sealant to the headlight surface. And let it dry for 3 to 5 minutes. While this one is curing, you can clean the second headlight with another included pad and abrasive paste and apply the sealant like you did for the first one. After cleaning the remnants of the paste with a damp towel and drying it up, then follow with the second coat to completely seal the first headlight and do the same for the second one. The instruction says that the coating fully cures within 24 hours. As you can see, the results are not ideal, but they are definitely visible. The oxidation is gone and clarity has improved, which, considering manual application, is great. I have to admit though that despite you can't see it on camera, if you look really closely in person, some scratches can still be observed. Note that I still have more than half of polishing paste and sealant left, so I can use it again for at least one more application for 2 headlights. I'll keep an eye on this for a month or so and see if there are any changes. I will also be making a video on a proper process to get rid of bigger scratches and restore the headlights to the best of my skill. I will be curious to see the one-to-one comparison with the results I observed after this quick process. Have you tried any product to restore your headlights? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell buttons for more videos on this channel. As always, drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time!